Welcome to the project demonstration of solar and piezo based happy power generation with low power up for low power applications. So in the low power application purpose we are making use of this USB mobile phone charging purpose, and which will get the power supply from this 12 volt 1 amp rechargeable battery. So in our project we are making the hybrid system to charge a battery with help of solar and foot step power generation with help of these piezo plates. So under in between these two plates we have placed the 9 piezo plates, and the three are connected in series, and the three sets are in parallel. So we will get maximum of 15 volts. Each piezo volt can generate the maximum voltage of 5 volts, and 3 are in series, so we will get maximum of 15 volts, and the remaining 3 sets are in parallel, so we will get 15 volts maximum voltage, and that voltage will be measured by the Uno board from A0 pin. So here we have connected that parallelly to the Arduino Uno, and underneath we have placed the potential divider circuits, and the next output parallelly to this charging circuit, from there to the battery 12 volt 1 amp battery. Same for the solar panel also. So this is the piezo output, and this is the solar, and when we want to charge a battery with the solar panel, just disconnect that, and right, you can connect it here, right here, right. So there we need to connect the solar panel initially, this one, and this is directly parallelly to the charging circuits for the 12 volt 1 amp battery charging purpose. So here the battery rating is 12 volt 1 amp, whether it is charging from the solar panel or transformer. It will take 6 hours minimum, 8 hours maximum. When you want to charge a battery from the transformer, disconnect this one and connect the transformer, then on the power supply to this transformer circuit. So the light will show the status of battery charging. So as we discussed, it will take 6 to 8 hours to be fully charged, and after that you can disconnect this one. And this is not actually this is a secondary source of charging whenever the sunlight is not available. So when we place this solar panel under the full sunlight, there also we can see the light indication from this charging circuit. So the output of the charging circuits 2 is parallelly to this 12 volt 1 amp battery. To charge that in less time, we have providing the parallel outputs so that we can get the more power to charge the battery in less time. And after that the 12 volts DC is parallelly input to this LM2596 voltage regulator, which will take 12 volts DC input and provide us the 5 volts DC output for this USB charging slot. And parallelly same 12 volts DC input to this Arduino Uno board at these slots, and when we on the power supply to that, it start reading input from the voltage sensors. So this is a voltage sensor of 10:1 voltage ratio, which will take 12 volts DC input and provide us the 1.2 DC output, that is at the A1 pin, and the so-called status continuously displayed on the LCD screen as pin number 2 to pin number 7. In this version we are added the piezo indication through these LEDs. So whenever the voltage is generated from this one, there we are going to trigger this LED by using this BC547 transistor. So before demonstration, keep the battery under full charge, then only on the system. And here is the on off switch. So this is the main on off switch to on the power supply to that. So you can connect the USB load over there, right, and you can connect the mobile phone to that, and you can on this, right. We can see the charging indication and welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen. So when we place the lighting on this solar panel, we can see the voltage will be increased, and when I am applying this, so let us see now. So just applying the force over there. Right. So the small trigger occur to that. Gently you can press that. Right. So whenever the voltage increases, you can see the voltage increasing on that. So connect the solar panel at this slot. you can see the increasing voltage also. Now let us see that with final demonstration. So I am applying the force on that. So gentle force is required, that's it.